How to upload your resume on LinkedIn. What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to upload your resume on LinkedIn. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and then search for linkedin.com. And if you are using the app, the process is pretty much the same. If you are on mobile, it doesn't matter as well. So what you first do is head over to your profile icon at the top right, and then you'll find the option called Settings and Privacy. Head over there. And once you open up your settings, on the left side of your screen, you have different tabs like account preferences, where you can handle all of your account details, like your profile picture, name, location, industry, your verifications, your syncing, and all of these good stuff. Then you have sign in and security, visibility, and then data privacy. Just head over to data privacy. And if you scroll down a bit, here you'll find something called job seeking preferences. You just have to head over to job application settings, click on it, and it will take you to this page. So here you'll have your resumes and your application data. Make sure that you've turned on the save resume and application data. Then you could turn this on where it says share resume data with hirers. So if you already have any resume, you can manage it from here. You can either download it or delete it. Now, if you want to upload a new one, just click on upload resume, and then you could upload your resume from here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.